Welcome back, my dear students. As we used to, this is the second lesson in Unit 9, Lesson 2, Pupils Book, page 86 and 87. Okay, as we said before, this unit is talking about holidays and traveling. Okay, let's see the picture and let's speak about what this lesson about. Okay, the title of this lesson is Up, Up and Away. Here we are talking about something which can fly up in the air. So look at the picture and try to tell me what is it. Exactly as you see here in the picture, it is a hot air balloon. Okay, what is a hot air balloon? It's a kind of things which we use it for entertainment. We use it to travel from place to place, okay? Fly in the air, so we enjoy the scenes under us. So it's very interesting to try riding a hot air balloon. Okay, in this lesson we are talking about two people who invent this hot air balloon. So in this lesson we are talking about inventions and inventors. Inventions are the things which are not there before. Inventors are the people who invent these things, who make or create these things which wasn't there before. Okay, we are speaking about two brothers called Montgolfier brothers, and they are from France. They are the first brothers to think about the hot air balloon. At the beginning they used smoke to fill this silk bag. Okay, it's like a huge bag which made of material called silk. Okay, so they used the smoke from the fire to fill it, because smoke is lighter than air, so it can raise up in the air. At the beginning, they used the smoke and they tied this basket to the bag, and they needed to try their invention. What do they use? They used animals. At the beginning they put some animals in the basket so they can try if this balloon will raise up or move in the air. At the first try, the hot air balloon stayed in the air for 9 minutes. Okay, and then it landed down. Did they stop trying? No, they tried one more time, but in the second time the King of France was watching this flight, and they had 20 minutes in the air. The hot air balloon stayed for 20 minutes in the air, so they succeed. And finally the hot air balloon landed in a field. As you see the green place, the big green place here, it landed down, and as we were in the past, this happened very late in the past, so people were afraid. The farmers who worked in that field were afraid and scared from that balloon. But as you know, these days everybody knows about this hot air balloon, and you can see it here in Egypt, and if you visit Luxor also, or Hurghada, I'm not sure, so you can go and enjoy riding the hot air balloon. Okay, are you ready to see the vocabulary of this lesson? I guess so, because it's so interesting. Let's see. Inventors. Inventors are the people who invent, as we said before, the new things. Let's read the example and see. An inventor is a person who creates or discovers a new form, device, or method. Something which we don't have before. So he creates something. Can you see these two people? I guess all of you know Thomas Edison and Albert Einstein. So they invented many things. As you see here in the picture, we have the telephone. It's a new invention. Cars, many things. Can you name some of the new inventions and tell me the name of their inventors? Good job. Okay, inventors invent invention. It's not a hard sentence, but all the words are related to each other. As we said, inventors is the inventor is the person. Invent means make. Invention is the thing which he made. So inventors invent invention. What do we have next? Here we have the hot air balloon. The hot air balloon. We took a hot air balloon ride when we were in Luxor, and we landed in a big field. What does it mean, land? To go down. Okay, do you know what is the opposite of land? Yes, it's taking off. Okay, smoke. Smoke, as you see here in the picture, the smoke is the gray thing which comes out when you put a fire. Yesterday there was a big fire in the street. Smoke was everywhere. Okay, don't try to smell the smoke because it's very bad for your health and it can make you die. Okay, what do we have next? Passengers. Passengers. Who are the passengers? The passengers are the people who are traveling from one place to another in a car, bus, train, ship, or airplane. So if you are traveling from a place to another place using any means of the transportation means, so you are a passenger. Okay, here we go. Here we have the word field. Field. The field is a wide area of land which we use it to plant seeds and grow crops. Farmers work in fields. They grow many crops. As you see here in this picture, we can see the farmers working, and they are the persons who plant the seeds and grow the crops. Okay, did you visit a place like that before? If you went to a country or something like that, a village, you can see the fields there. Okay, means of transportation. What are the means of transportations? They are the things which we use to travel from a place to place. Transport means to travel or to move from a place to place. To move from a place to another place, you need something to help you. These are the means of transportation, and they usually divided on land, in sea, and in air. So we can travel on land using buses, cars, trucks, trains, whatever. If you are traveling in water, so you can use ships, boat, or sometimes the military used the submarines, and in air we used to use the aeroplane and hot air balloons, rockets for the people who travel to space. Okay, let's see what means of transportations do we have, and guess the names of the places where we can go and ride them. First we have the airport. Airport. The airport is the place where the planes landed and take off. We have to go there if we are traveling by plane. Let's read the examples. I have to go to the airport to travel by plane. Okay, the second sentence, the plane will take off. As I told you, take off means to move up in the air, and it will land at 11 p.m. So take off and land are opposites. Okay, so landing means to go down, take off means to fly up. Who is the pilot? As you see in the picture, the pilot is the one who flies the plane. I want to be a pilot when I grow up. I think it's exciting to fly a plane. What do you want to be when you grow up? Write it down and tell me later. Okay, let's see what do we have here. A port. A port, not airport, but this time it's a port. As you see in the picture, the port is the place where we can go and ride a ship. The port is like an airport. It's where the ships load and unload goods or passengers. As you see here in the picture, they put things or goods on the ship. This is what do we mean by load. Unload means to take it from the ship and put it on the land. So we can use ships for goods and for people also. Train station. Train station. A train station is a place where passenger can get on and off trains. Here in Egypt we have train station, a famous one, and we have also metro station. So they are the same, exactly the same. So we use the trains also for goods. Goods are the things like boxes, bags, animals, which we need to move them from place to another place. Okay, so we use the train also for that. Passengers usually wait on the for the train on the platform. Can you see this? This is what we call it, the platform. It is the place where you can stand in safely and wait for the train to get in. Okay, here the bus stop. A bus stop is a place where buses stop and passengers can go on and off the bus. It is the same thing. When you want to go on or off something, you have to wait in the safe place, which is for that thing. Even in a port, a platform for the train or a bus station. Okay? Okay, that's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.